Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to use Ultra Instinct in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. If you're playing Dragon Ball Sparking Zero and you've been dreaming of mastering Ultra Instinct just like Goku, then this tutorial is for you. I'll walk you through how to unlock Ultra Instinct, how it works, and share some powerful tips to help you dominate your battles. How to unlock Ultra Instinct. First, to use Ultra Instinct, you need to unlock him. There are two ways to unlock him. 1. Complete the Saiyans Awakening episode in episode battle mode, or purchase him from the game shop for 120,000 yen. Once unlocked, Ultra Instinct will appear as a separate character on the selection screen. 2. How Ultra Instinct Goku works. Ultra Instinct is all about auto-dodging attacks. To activate auto-dodge, simply don't press any buttons, no movement, no blocking. When an enemy attacks, Goku will automatically dodge as long as you have ki available. Ki management is crucial for success. Remember, auto-dodging consumes ki. If you run out, Goku will lose his ability to dodge automatically. So don't waste ki unnecessarily during combat. If you're low on ki, you can always activate Sparking mode to recover it and keep the pressure on your opponent. Also, make sure to turn off guard assist in settings. It can interfere with Ultra Instinct dodging. 3. Combat tips with Ultra Instinct. To fight effectively with Ultra Instinct Goku, always keep your ki high, use the Sparking mode to boost ki regeneration and damage. Finish combos with moves like the point blank Kamehameha for massive impact. Stay calm, the less you force inputs, better Goku will perform under Ultra Instinct. Final tips and others. Mastering Ultra Instinct takes patience, but once you get the feel for it, it's incredibly powerful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.